We now go over to West Kingston, where Mr. Seaga served as a Member of Parliament, and our reporter Kirk Wright now joins us live. Kirk, what is the mood down there?
Thank you so very much, Janella. Now, the community of Tivoli Gardens, where the late Edward George Seaga was Member of Parliament for over 40 years, is abuzz with activities right now. It's a party-like scene as we speak. There's a stage set up and people are ready to celebrate the life of Edward George Seaga. Already, lots of Member of Parliament on the government side have arrived and they're here. They too are waiting along with the people to celebrate the life of Edward Seaga. A very important man here, a resident of Tivoli Gardens, Wayne Bartley, who has had a close association with Mr. Seaga, is here with us and will share with us a little as to how he feels about the passing of who they consider a great man. Wayne, your feeling on the passing of Mr. Seaga?
Well, words cannot express my feelings right now. I am really cut up. I am torn apart because I have lost a friend, a father, a mentor, someone who I could talk to if I had a problem or anything, and I'm really hurt.
How close were you to Mr. Seaga? Tell us, give us some of the intimate details.
Well, I was very close with Mr. Seaga, during basketball. I was a coach for the Denhamtown Wizard, and Mr. Seaga came friend from there. And we had a very, very close relationship, someone who I could even call if I had a problem. Even relationship-wise, you could call and talk to, and he will give you advice.
I know most of the older people will understand what his passing means, but what has been the mood, especially among the younger people in the community?
Well, tell the truth, we might have to be burying a lot of old people because a lot of old people is going to take this thing very hard. They are very hurt because they have lost a friend who they have come from years back, older than I am, and they are very hurt right now.
I realize that his passing didn't put a damper on the celebrations that were planned long ago.
Yes, really, because, you know, it's a mixed feeling celebration. It's a mournful one and then a joy one, because at least when you look back at his life that he has lived and the things that he has done and what he has produced for Jamaica and Jamaican people, then you can use that just to kind of cheer you up.
Already we've seen Audley Shaw, we've seen Desmond McKenzie, we've seen several of the politicians here, and we hear that the Prime Minister is expected to come. Is that true?
Yes, that's true. That's what I heard. That's true.
Give us an idea as to what tonight should look like, though.
Well, tonight should be a mixed feelings of Denhamtown, Tivoli Garden, Fletcher's Land. Even people from Rima will be coming here, and I get to understand that people from country say they'll be taking bus coming here to celebrate the life of this man.
Wayne Bartley, thank you so very much for speaking with us. There you have it, Wayne Bartley, who has been a close friend to Mr. Seaga, and the community is showing their appreciation and will show more of how they miss Mr. Seaga tonight during his birthday celebration here in Tivoli Gardens. Janella?
Thank you so much, Kirk. And of course, we will continue our coverage of the passing of the former Prime Minister, the 5th Prime Minister, Edward Seaga, after this break. Please stay with us.